Hey, it's Jeremy here at the Ontario Regiment RCAC Museum in Oshawa, and this is our last big day of the year. We're moving all the vehicles, many of them off-site into winter storage, sad for us. We're trying to create some room here because we have some major restoration and maintenance projects for the 2020 winter season. Really hoping that in 2021 we can get back to Tank Saturday, Aquino Tank Weekend, and all of the shows that you guys love to come in and enjoy. So that's what we're up to today. You're going to see a lot of vehicle movement. It's hard work for us, but it's also exciting for us because this is a big movement day. You get to see Leopards and Shermans and Panzers, oh my, moving all over the place. And then at the end of the day, hopefully we're going to have everything in place and be able to get into our winter maintenance schedule. So thanks for watching the videos. Stay tuned. Throughout the entire winter season, we're going to have updates on all of these different projects, new projects that you haven't seen yet. So subscribe below, like the page, like the video, and thanks for following.